Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to discuss the MCQs which are based on 20th of January 2017 current affairs, and the instructions are pretty clear. Please watch the Hindu summary as well as the editorial analysis before or after attempting the questions. Pause the video as soon as the MCQ appears, solve it and then continue. And this is the slide which you can use for your reference. Please write your score in the comments below so that you can compete with yourself as well as others. Okay, so question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding debt recovery tribunals. Statement 1. DRTs are statutory bodies. Statement 2. DRTs can be approached if the amount of debt due to a bank or financial institution or to a consortium of banks or financial institution is greater than rupees 1 crore. They were established in 1993. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer is B, 1 and 3. Yes, they were established by RDD BFI Act of 1993, but statement 2 is wrong. Okay, because it is 10 lakhs, it's not 1 crore. So the recovery 10 lakh and 1 lakh, there are two limits. So debt recovery tribunals and debt recovery appellate tribunals were established under the Recovery of Debts Due to Banks and Financial Institution Act, and the provisions of the RDD BFI Act shall not apply when the amount of debt due to a bank or financial institution or to a consortium of banks or financial institution is less than 10 lakh rupees or such other amount being not less than 1 lakh rupees as the central government may specify. It is not 1 crore. Question number 2. Consider the following. Which of the following is the four water concepts mainly associated with? So four water concept is associated with groundwater recharge. Okay, many people might say is interlinking rivers, etc. That is wrong. Answer is C. So four waters concept can come very handy in countering the drought. It would recharge the groundwater and thereby providing irrigation to multiple crops a year. And the methodology of the four water concept revolves around the harvesting of available runoff, that is rainwater, groundwater, underground water and in situ soil moisturizer in rural areas. So answer becomes C here. Question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding the launch vehicle Mark 3 LVM-3. It is capable of placing the 4-ton class satellites of the GSAT series into the geosynchronous transfer orbits. It is capable of placing 8-ton payload into the low Earth orbits of 600 km altitude. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer here is C, because both of the statements are absolutely correct. And ISRO is planning to fly its new launch vehicle, which is powered by a new cryogenic rocket engine, around March, and send the 3200 kilogram GSAT-19 communication satellite to space on it. Okay, so that is why it was a news, so I thought I'll mention this. Consider the following with the schedules of the Indian Constitution. So 9th schedule deals with language. Answer is no. 7th schedule deals with division of power. Yes, this is absolutely correct. 10th schedule deals with anti-defection law. Yes. 4th schedule deals with oath and affirmation. This is wrong, because 9th schedule deals with validation of certain acts and regulation, and 4th schedule deals with allocation of seats to Rajya Sabha. And recently, the answer becomes B, that is 2 and 3. And it is in news because in the wake of demands to add dialects of Hindi like Bhojpuri and Rajasthani in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution as full-fledged Indian languages, a group of Hindi professors have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting that status quo be maintained, so that they want just Hindi to be as one language and not dialects. Question number 5. Consider the following statements regarding the ILO's conventions. Convention 182 deals with the worst form of child labor. Convention 138 deals with freedom of association and protection of the rights to organize. India has ratified both these conventions as of today. Which of the following statement is correct? Only statement worst is correct, so answer becomes B, that is 1 only. ILO Convention 138 deals with minimum age for entry to employment and work, and ILO Convention number 182 deals with worst form of child labor. Okay, so can you see they have just so here, so India has not ratified both, so third is also wrong, second is also wrong, only first is correct, so answer is B. Okay, so question number 6. Consider the following statements regarding the Chagos archipelago. They are located in the Pacific Ocean. This is wrong, because they are located in Indian Ocean, not in the Pacific Ocean. It is a British overseas territory. Yes. The United States military base of Diego Garcia is located on these islands. Yes. So answer is B, that is 2 and 3. So the Chagos archipelago or Chagos islands are a group of 7 atolls comprising more than 60 individual tropical islands in the Indian Ocean, which are about 500 kilometers south of the Maldives archipelago, and they are officially the part of British Indian Ocean territory. And the sovereignty of the Chagos archipelago is being disputed between the UK and Mauritius. That is why it was the news. Question number 7. Consider the following statements regarding the Regional Connectivity Scheme, that is RCS. Okay. So the Airport Authority of India is the implementing authority of the scheme. Yes, absolutely correct. Excise duty at the rate of 2% shall be levied on aviation turbine fuel as RCS airports for RCS flights. Yes, this is also correct. The state government shall pay 40% of the viability gap fund for the RCS, and it is 30% for Northeast region. This is wrong. It is 20% and 10%. So this is 20% and Northeast it is 10%. So answer is A, that is 1 and 2. So Airport Authority of India has received 45 initial bids from 11 parties to fly routes under the Regional Connectivity Scheme. Question number 8. Consider the following statements regarding Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation, that is CEPI. Which of the following statement is correct? The group is the first targeting the MERS, COV, Lassa and Nipah virus. Absolutely correct. The government of India is one of the founders of CEPI. Yes, both of them are absolutely correct. So answer is C, 1 and 2. So CEPI is Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. Okay, and it was launched by the World Economic Forum in Davos with an initial investment of $460 million from the governments of Germany, Japan, Norway, plus the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Wellcome Trust. Now, Government of India is a founder, and it is currently finalizing the level of a significant funding commitment. They will initially target MERS, COV, Lassa and Nipah virus. They can cause serious epidemics. Okay, and it will also develop vaccines which can prevent the epidemics to happen. Which of the following is Mission 41K associated with? So answer here is C, that is Indian Railways. So Union Railway Ministry recently unveiled Mission 41K to save rupees 41,000 crore on the Indian Railways expenditure on energy consumption over the next 10 years. And last question for the day is, which of the following are tributaries of the river Mahanadi? Shivnath, Mand, Tawa, Hasdev. Select the correct order. So answer here is C, that is Shivnath, Mand and Hasdev are there. And the other tributaries of the Mahanadi rivers are Shivnath, Mand, Ib, Hasdev, Ong, Jonk and Telen. So they are very fond of asking these tributaries. So I hope you have learned something from this lesson. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Do write your score in the comments below.